Hello everybody. Today in this video we will talk about how you can change your UAE Pass PIN. So in this tutorial I will explain how you can change your UAE Pass easily within few seconds. So let's begin. So first of all I will search UAE Pass, and here it is UAE Pass, and you can see my details, so I will blur it due to security reasons. So then click on profile. Here you can see bottom right corner profile, and then click on first section change pin, and here you have to select your current pin that you are using. So let's assume I'm using, so if you will find any error, UAE Pass will appeal you to apply same pins. Same pins mean correct pins. So here UAE Pass is appearing new section, enter new pin. So I will enter new pin, let's say 0321. So then I have to select again 0312. So now my pin has been updated. Here you can see a success, you have successfully changed your UAE Pass pin. So in this way you can change your pin. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching.